welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm super excited because I've been wanting to try some of these Amazon lace front wigs, and I finally found a couple that I was interested in. So in today's video I'm going to be featuring one by the company name Rulinda. So let's go ahead and open up the box, and I'll have all the information and details and the link to this wig down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But let's see. So we got a couple things in the box, and in addition to the wig, so we got the wig, we got some lashes, and then we also have a wig cap. Not quite my color, but I have some that are closer to my colors that I'll be able to use. But of course, if you hear a trick that you can use when when a wig cap is not your color, is you can take a little bit of your powder or your foundation with a blending brush or a powder brush and just dab it all over it. So that's a little trick I learned. But yeah, let's get into this wig. So I got this bob, let's see, and I'm wearing a bob. Okay, so far I'm liking the lace. The lace is more of a, it's not exactly a transparent lace. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's close. It's lighter than what the lace would normally be. And it's kind of soft. It's not like one of those. Wait a second, is this already bleached? Wait. Oh, honey. Oh, I think she's already bleached. Yes. And I just ran to Sally's and got bleach and everything. Because usually when they say the knots come bleached, it's not really all that great of a bleaching job. But I can even see like some of the hair looks like it has been, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like some of the hair has been bleached at the roots too, which lets me know they did actually bleach the knots. So yeah, I may still go ahead and do just a little bit of bleaching just so that the lace. Okay. Here we go. I see. So they did do some bleaching. You can kind of tell on the underside of the wig. And I'll get to all the rest of the specs, but that kind of threw me off because I was like, wait, y'all did actually do what you said you were gonna do. So on the underside of the wig, you can actually see the difference in color, or at least I can. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I'll try and take some photos if it's not. But where the part is at is where I see the difference. So I see like they must have bleached here and along the, is it the whole thing? No, just like this section right here is what it looks like has been bleached, and then the parting space. So I will have to go ahead and bleach this some more because if I don't want to rock a center part, you know, I'll definitely want everything bleached. So I am gonna go ahead and bleach this unit. But it is a lace front. It comes with, let me flip this. So it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. It does come with some adjustable elastic bands, so I probably won't even need to add a elastic band to this unit because it comes with the adjustable straps already. So I probably won't do that. And then it does come with a little lace in the back, so if you were to well, it's a bob, you really probably wouldn't even pull it up. But if the wind blows or whatever the case may be, there is some lace back here. You can bleach the knots back here if you want for a more realistic look, but you don't have to. Totally up to you. So if you're interested in seeing how I customize this wig and how we melt this lace, honey, stay tuned. And before we jump into the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. All right, so let's hop into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and bleach the knot. So right here I'm just mixing together the bleach, and I like to use a little bit of temporary color in the eggplant color, just to make sure that the lace and the knots don't come out too orangey. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black wig cap and then place some saran wrap, plastic wrap over top of that, and hold it in place with some T-pins. And then I'm just going to pretty much put the bleach all over that. And I got this technique from the Chic Naturals channel, and it's my first time trying it. I liked it a lot, but as you can see, it was a struggle getting this wig onto the mannequin head without getting the bleach on the hair. So one thing I would recommend is taking the adjustable straps and like just completely unloosening those, and then put the wig inside out, and that way you can get the front part of the lace onto the mannequin head, and then eventually, you know, pull the back side down. If there's any spots that you missed with bleach, just go back in with your brush and put some on to the plastic wrap, and then pin it down with some T-pins. I let this stay on for about 12 to 13 minutes, and then I just rinse it out, wash it, and condition the hair, and then I blow dry the hair so that it's dry again, and that way I can start working on positioning my part and the baby hairs. So I knew I wanted a center part, so I used some mousse to really set that in place, and I cut in some baby hairs. So at this step, you could take the mousse and not only mold the part, but you could also mold your baby hairs whilst on the mannequin head. But as you will see later, I actually do my baby hairs once I put the wig on, but it's totally up to you. So let's check out this wig line. It's a little bit too thick. They did do some plucking, but for my liking, I need it to be plucked a little bit more. So I'm just combing down the baby hairs just to really see what that hairline is going to look like. And you can see that they did do some plucking, but like I said, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to pluck some hair out just to thin it out a bit. And this step you can do on the mannequin head, or you can do on your head. I used to do it on the mannequin head, but I found that sometimes I would over pluck because I couldn't see what it was actually going to look like. So I started doing it on my head. So I just take a small section, part it a little bit, and just go ahead and take the tweezers and pluck some hair out of it. And as I'm going through, you'll see that I pull the hair back just to see if it's looking the way I want it to look. And if it doesn't, I go back in and I pluck some more hair. But I just take a small section at a time and do that. But just be patient and take your time on this section, because this can definitely make or break the way your wig looks. And then also too, once it's over plucked, it's really hard to recover. So definitely take your time. And I forgot to mention, whenever I am plucking, I usually take and spray the hair with some water, and I usually hold the hair really taut, and then I take the tweezers and pluck. It'll make the process a whole lot easier and better, and help you not accidentally rip your lace. So when it comes to this style of wig, it's a bob and it's a center part that I'm doing. When it comes to customizing the hairline, it's not a necessity because the hair is going to fall over the hairline. And in most cases, you don't pull a bob back away from your face. So it's totally optional to do this step. But of course, if the wind was to blow, you could possibly see the hairline. But like I said, it's optional. It's not like a necessity in this particular case. Once you have your hairline the way that you want it, you can go ahead and cut the lace. This is another step that I highly recommend you be patient and take your time on. So here I'm just showing you that the lace goes way over my ears. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut that off. I'm going to follow the shape of my ear. And I did it off camera because I needed to be really close up to the mirror to make sure it was done correctly. And this is what the wig is looking like now that the lace is cut off. I am liking the results. And next I'm going to just work on my baby hairs. So I did them a bit too thick in some sections. I have not customized a wig in a very long time, so I'm a little rusty. But I did eventually go back and adjust that. But like I said, this step is not that necessary just because the hair is going to fall over top of it. So I did not glue down this wig only because I wasn't planning to wear the wig after the video. But of course, on any normal day where I am planning to wear the wig, I would certainly secure it down with some Got2b gel. But it does fit pretty snug. I would also recommend sewing in an elastic band if you wanted to do the glueless method, just to have that additional security on the front side of the wig. I forgot to mention that I did go back in and place some of my foundation on the underside of the lace, all over the lace, so that it would blend a little bit better with, you know, my skin tone and the color of my scalp. Once you have your baby hairs the way you like them, you can go ahead and tie up your whole head, and that way it helps set the parting space and your baby hairs. And I do that for about 10 minutes, and then I take off the scarf and only put it around the baby hairs, and then I begin to straighten the hair. This hair straightens so nicely and easily, and it has like that silky, like a silk blowout like feel and look to it. Once you get done straightening it, it's amazing. The hair is so soft and so nice. All right, let's take this scarf down and see what we're working with. And here's the finished look. Check out this parting space. I am definitely happy and pleased with it. Sorry for the messy baby hairs, but I did want you guys to see up close how it looks, how the hairline looks. Alright, so what do you guys think of this wig? I am loving this bob. It was so easy to customize, and it wasn't like a ton of work because there were so many things that were already done on this unit. So yeah, I mean, I would highly recommend this one. The hair is really soft and amazing. It styles very well. Yeah, I mean, and the price is right, honey. Come on, sis. So anyway, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and let me know what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the greatness happening at Cotton Creations. And thanks for watching.